Every night, in the land of Sunshine Valley, a small rabbit named Kang would dream of great adventures. Kang was a curious and brave little rabbit, always ready to explore and conquer new challenges. One evening, as the stars began to twinkle, Kang felt a special excitement in his heart. He packed his tiny backpack with his favorite carrot, a small compass, and a map he had drawn himself. With a leap and a skip, Kang set off on his journey. He hopped through the tall grass, over the sparkling stream, and up the windy hill. As he ventured further, he encountered a dark forest. "Oh dear," thought Kang, "I've never been this deep into the forest before." But instead of turning back, Kang took a deep breath and continued on. As he walked deeper into the forest, he heard a strange noise. It sounded like a tiny voice calling for help. Kang followed the sound and found a small bird trapped in a thorny bush. "Hello there, little bird," said Kang. "I'm Kang, and I'm here to help you." With gentle hands, Kang carefully removed the thorns and set the bird free. The bird, grateful for Kang's help, thanked him and introduced himself as Chirpy. Chirpy explained that he was lost and didn't know his way home. Kang felt a warmth in his heart. He decided to help Chirpy find his way back to Sunshine Valley. Together, Kang and Chirpy journeyed through the forest, using the compass and map to guide them. They overcame obstacles, such as a wide river and a steep mountain, and even made new friends along the way, like a wise old owl and a friendly squirrel. Finally, after many adventures, they reached the edge of Sunshine Valley. Chirpy flew ahead and called out to his family, who were overjoyed to see him. Kang watched with a smile, knowing he had made a difference in Chirpy's life. From that day on, Kang continued to have many adventures, always ready to help those in need. He was not just a brave little rabbit, but also a kind and caring friend. And every night, as he snuggled into his warm burrow, he would dream of the next exciting adventure that awaited him.